Thank you, Brigadier. I think Colonel Mboto would have been the dumbest cop in South Africa to have said that at the time at which you requested him to go and do the confession, he had no knowledge about the death of Senzo. I withdraw the question.
We don't.
I withdraw the question. Thank you.
But that question,
I said I withdrew it, my lord.
yeah, but you can't say something about an officer of the law that you would have been the dumbest.
That's not an insult, my lord.
It is.
No, it is not.
You're saying a colonel is the dumbest court in the country if you didn't know about Senzo Meyiwa's death.
The word dumber is not an insult, my lord, unless the court wants to understand
No,
it.
I understand it as an
then it's
insult.
fine.
Me, I understand it as an
No,
insult.
thanks, my lord, thanks. Yes.
And I think even Mr. Baloyi understands it as such, even Brigadier Geninda.
Yes.
No, but the court cannot put words into the mouth of the state and the. Why does the court not ask one of the members of the public?
We are rising precisely on that point.
Yeah, I know, because you are responsible officers of this court.
Yeah, but the court can't say even Mr. Baloyi understand it in that way.
Any lawyer
Brigadier Geninda
any lawyer will understand
it.
it.
My colleagues which are seated here and members of the public, the court does not refer to them. Why does the court specifically have to refer to the members of the state?
Yeah, you can go on.
Thank you.
Remember, I said it's obvious that some of our colleagues don't care about etiquette.
Thank you, Brigadier. I'll part this point about Mboto. Be rest assured I'll be coming back to it. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso's Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kube ne heated argument between a lawyer and a judge ngalesikhathi kudingidwa liqala la Senzo Meyiwa ngemva kokuthi ithi lawyer aliphoyisa alidampo. So ikwatile ke i-judge kokuthi why uthi lo mnye umuntu udampo kwaphikiswana ke lapha yana ngemagama. So guys, liqala la Senzo Meyiwa siyaqoqa ukuthi kudzala lidonsa, or like it's been a long time. Senzo Meyiwa washona 2010 and still to this day kude umuntu loboshiwe for leli yaqala namhlanje lokho still kusathengizwa lona kutalwa abantwana bantwa bethu. Here still they are trying to solve leli yaqala lelana. That makes people wonder ukuthi liyoke lisolveke, but leli yaqala liyoke libe nempumelelo justice for Senzo Meyiwa. Will it ever be served na? Because avele drega leli yaqala ngalesikhathi sesibona ngazuthi cha ngazuthi sekuyakhanya kuvele kube emnyama futhi ngalesikhathi sesibona ukuthi ngazuthi nakuya soyabanjwa umuntu lobolele Senzo Meyiwa kuvele kube indida futhi. So people are saying nje ukuthi we just wonder ukuthi liqala leli liyoke lesolveke nokuthi nje uSenzo Meyiwa uyoke abuthole ubulungiswa na. That's why uma kuba khona liqala la South Africa lelingathi liyaqaka like lela qweqwe, people will just say ukuthi liqala leli liyovele lifane nalela Senzo Meyiwa, because alikaze olasolveka after so many years. Lokuvele ku discourage nebantu ukuthi ngazuthi bulungiswa Senzo Meyiwa angeke asabuthole. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.